How to set up your HP Plus printer on a wireless network using HP Smart for Windows 10. When you have fully unboxed your HP Plus printer, you will need to set up the printer with HP Smart to be able to print. To successfully set up and install your printer, gather the following materials and information. A computer running the latest version of Windows 10 that is connected to the wireless network that you want to connect your printer to. An HP printer powered on and in a ready state. An active internet connection. And the wireless network password or key if required by your network. On your Windows 10 computer connected to a Wi-Fi network with an active internet connection, open a browser and go to 123.hp.com. Enter your printer model into the search field and choose your model from the list. Select Next. Select Install HP Smart. If prompted, select Open Microsoft Store. Select HP Smart from the Microsoft Store results. Select Install. After the app installs, select Launch. On the welcome screen, select Continue to agree to the terms of use. You can choose to help make HP Smart better by sharing usage data, but it is not required. Select Yes or No to continue. When the Let's Get Started screen displays, make sure your HP Plus printer is powered on and that the printer is in wireless setup mode. HP Smart only detects printers connected to the same network as your Windows computer or in setup mode. Setup mode activates the first time you turn on your printer and lasts for 2 hours. If it has been longer than 2 hours since you first turned on your printer, reset the printer network settings. To reset the printer network settings for printers without a touch display, press and hold the information button for 3 seconds and then release the button. Press the Wi-Fi and cancel buttons at the same time. Release the buttons to restore setup mode. To reset the printer network settings for printers with a touch display, swipe down to open the control panel dashboard. Touch the gear icon, then Network Setup, then Restore Network Settings. Touch Yes when prompted. Once your printer is in setup mode, return to your Windows 10 computer and select Set up a new printer. HP Smart will search for your printer. When it finds the printer, it will show on the screen. Select Setup. HP Smart will confirm it is ready to set up your printer. Select Continue. HP Smart will ask for your Wi-Fi password to access the wireless network you are currently connected to. Connecting to the current network is required to continue setup of your printer. Select Continue. HP Smart begins the process connecting your printer to the wireless network. For security, it will ask you to confirm your proximity to the printer by pressing the Information button on the printer. Press the button to continue the setup process. HP Smart will confirm when it finishes connecting the printer to the wireless network. Select Continue. If your printer needs a firmware update, HP Smart will automatically download and start the update. If this is the case, select Complete Update. HP Smart will return to the home screen and show the status of the update. When the update completes, select Finish Setup. In order to deliver printing and cloud services, data is collected from your printer to sync your HP Smart app and HP account. Select Continue. Your HP Plus printer comes with an additional year of HP warranty and 6 months of free toner and delivery with an optional print plan trial. To learn more, select Learn More. To continue with setup, select Continue. Your HP Plus printer requires internet access, an HP account, and original HP toner cartridges to operate. To continue, select Confirm to agree to these requirements. An HP account sign-up page displays. Fill out the information and select Create Account to create a new HP account. If you already have an existing HP account, scroll down and select Sign In. On the next page, enter your email and password and select Sign In. HP Smart will register your HP Plus printer with your HP account. Once registration is complete, you will be able to redeem your free toner offer. Select Continue. HP Plus print plans will be available for sign-up. To sign up for a print plan, please do the following. Choose the print plan that suits your needs. Follow the guided steps to fill in the required details such as your mailing address and credit card details. HP Smart will display a confirmation page when your order is complete. HP Smart will then direct you through the remaining prompts to finish setting up your printer. Depending on your specific printer model, these steps may differ. Simply follow the prompts provided to complete the process, including setting up any available services or software. HP Smart will return to the home screen and show your printer in a ready status. You are now ready to start printing.